Okay, fine, thank you. How are you, children? Fine, okay. So, what did we discuss in the previous class? Please give your responses. Okay, we discussed in previous class about the differently abled persons or disabled persons or handicapped persons. So, whom did we discuss about? We discussed about Sudha Chandran, Helen Keller and Stephen Hawking. Okay, so and if you want to know about another differently abled persons, we have to discuss today a reading lesson. So what is the session? Unit 10th class English, Unit 1, a reading, session 2. We are going to discuss attitude is altitude. Okay, what are we going to discuss? The topic of the today is today's topic is attitude is altitude. Okay, children. Okay, right. Open your book at the page number 3. Already opened? Okay. Okay, children. So we are going to discuss about the a reading attitude is altitude. Okay, children. Let me explain some of the keywords or meanings of this lesson. You may say them glossary or keywords. Why? Because when I read, it is easy to understand the lesson, children. Okay, right. Some keywords. So, attitude means the way that you think and feel about something or somebody, or a position of the body or view. Altitude means height or elevation or high position or high rank. Okay. Stretch means extend or to spread over an area of land. Scratch to rub your skin with your nails. Wrap to put something firmly around something or somebody. Itch, a sensation felt on an area of the skin that causes a person to want scratch or rub. Skateboard, a short narrow board with small wheels at each end which you stand on and ride as a sport. Details, small event. Torso, the main part of the body, not including the head, arms or legs. Surf, to take part in the sport of riding on waves on a surfboard. Despite. Despite means in spite of. Hip, the area at the either side of the body between the top of the leg and the waist, the joint at the top of the leg. Chicken drumstick, the lower part of the leg of a chicken or other bird that is cooked and eaten as food. Evangelical means belonging to a Christian group or Christianity. Virgin, bachelor or a person who has no experience. Modest means humble. Publicist, a person whose job is to make something known to the public. Along, towards a better position. Clerk, a heavy stick with one end thicker than the other. Swim, to move through water in a horizontal position using arms and legs. Football, a game played by two teams of 4 players using a round ball which players kick up to hit with the foot and down the playing field. Golf, what is the meaning of golf? A game played over a large area of ground using specially shaped sticks to hit a small hot ball into a 9 or 18 holes using as few strokes as possible. Okay, children, some more words. Tucked means put or pushed. Fan, the meaning of fan here is a person who admires somebody or something. Huge, vast or enormous. Premier means most important. League, alliance. Premier League means a group of sports teams who all play each other to earn points and find which team is the best. Shocked, surprised, decision, choice or the act of deciding. Vomit, heave or spew. Distraught, worried or upset or distressed. Rare, infrequent. Occurrence means event or an incident. Trick, something that confused, got into, became interested in something. Skateboarding, a short narrow board with small wheels. A short narrow board with small wheels at each end which stand and ride as sport. Programmer, a person whose job is writing programs for a computer. Device means tool or equipment or instrument or device. Mum means mother. Invented. Invented means created, innovated or designed. Hold means clasp, clench or speech. Surfboard, a long narrow board used for surfing. Okay children, some of the keywords I. Okay children, now we are going to read about another or a great person, Nick Vujicic. So whatever you are watching the video is belongs to Nick Vujicic. Okay, you go to page number 3 children. Okay children, already you observed or looked the picture Nick Vujicic. Now I am going to describe or deliver a bit about the Nick Vujicic. Okay, so attitude is altitude. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Children, imagine means guess. Having no arms to stretch. Stretch means extend in the morning. So what do we do when we awake? Generally, the every person stretch his hands. Okay, and to help you scratch means when we feel to rub our skin with our nails, when we feeling itch or itching, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. For example, you think you have been studying in hostels or at hostels, your parents came and you wanted to watch them or meet them. So what do? They stretch their hands to wrap you or squeeze you or clasp you. Okay children, right. Imagine having no legs to kick. When you are walking, you get angry. Then what do? When we get angry, especially then we hit something. So what do we use to hit the things? Especially legs. But there are no legs to you kick the things or pebbles means small stones down the street. So what do we use to run or walk? So whatever we want to do or move from one place to another place, we use legs. And if you want to ride, what do you use? Especially we use our hands and legs. But there are no legs and hands, or you get from point A to point B. For example, your father asked you to bring some vegetables. What do? You go to from your house to the market, but there are no legs. Is it possible to go from your house to market? No, it is impossible. Then imagine both at once. Guess. So you didn't have legs or legs and hands. So how will be the life? So such type of adversities or problems has been faced whole his life. Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life, means entire life, means he was born without legs and arms. So have you ever heard something like this before? Okay, no, not only you but also myself. I never had such type of news in my life up to today. Okay, so some details I would like to give. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs. When he was born, he didn't have arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. Details means here small events. He didn't allow, he didn't permit to any small event, whatever wanted to stop him. The brave 26-year-old, brave means courageous, bold, who is mainly torso. Torso means already I told the meaning. The main part of the body, not including the head, arms and legs. So what do we say? తల కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేన తల కాకుండా కాళ్ళు మరియు చేతులు లేనటువంటి తలతో కూడుకున్నటువంటి భాగము మనం తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం? మొండెము అని చెప్తాం. సో ఈవెన్ దో హీ డిడెంట్ హ్యావ్ legs and arms, he plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. So how is it possible? Are you wondering or not? Yes, okay. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. So what does he have? He has a small foot on his left hip. It means the area at either side of the body between the top of the leg and the waist, the joint at the top of the leg means నడుము భాగంలో ఎక్కడ అది కూడా left side, left hip. You have to remember the which side, left, because in exam you will be tested whether the answer is left hip or right hip. You must keep in your mind about the part left hip, not right or any other, which helps him balance and enables him to kick. So the small foot which is on his left hip is used to Nick to kick and balance him. He uses his one foot to type. How many foot did he have? Only one foot. With help of that one foot, he types. He does write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. Toes means the fingers of the leg is called toes. So we say generally with hand, whatever we have, hand 5 parts, those are called fingers, but the fingers of the leg is called toes. So between his toes he hold the pen and he pick up things with his toes. Means he uses his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick. Who does I refer to here? I means Nick Vujicic. It refers to chicken drumstick. I call it my chicken drumstick. Chicken drumstick means here small food. So you may face this question in your exam also. It refers to, what does it refer to? It refers to small food. So which is called as chicken drumstick, small food, whatever he has on his left hip. Okay. He oftenly jokes about his small foot, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I'd be lost without it. So where was Nick born? He was born in Melbourne, in Australia, but now he is living, or now he lives in Los Angeles. I'd be lost without it. I'd means here the full form of the I'd is here. I would be lost without it. Okay. Whenever I'd after the I'd there will be V1. It is treated as would. If there is V3 of a word, it is called had. Okay, children. Why? Because you may face this type of question in your editing also. Due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, so he believed he is himself evangelical, means belonging to a Christian group or Christian religion. Nick has chosen to remain a virgin. Virgin means a bachelor, a person who has no experience also until marriage. Means when up to his marriage he remained as a bachelor. He is very modest. Modest means very humble or obedient. He is very modest, but he gets marriage proposals from women all the time. Even though he was modest, he is very modest. He receives or he received so many proposals. Means so many women came forward to marry him, but he wanted to choose a right woman. Said Nick's friend publicist. Publicist means, what does the word publicist mean? A person whose job is to make something known to the public. అంటే ప్రజలకు తెలియచేసేటువంటి వాణ్ణి లేదా మనం ఏమంటాం ఇంకా వార్తాపత్రికలకు న్యూస్ అందించేటువంటి వాడు. ఓకేనా? సో స్టీవ్ యాపెల్ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ ఏంజల్స్. వేర్ డస్ స్టీవ్ యాపెల్ belong to? He belongs to Los Angeles. Who is Steve Apple? Steve Apple is a publicist and friend of Nick Vujicic. He would love to get married and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. Okay, he would love to get married, but what did he want? He is waiting for the right girl or correct girl to choose as his partner or as his wife. So water sports aren't Nick's only things. He also plays golf with a club. So already before we discussed about which games are played by the Nick. He plays, what does he play? Swims, okay, and surfs. So these games are belong to water. So Nick is not only plays golf, he plays golf with a club. Club means heavy stick to play whatever we use to play the golf. Okay, so he plays golf with a club tucked under his chin. Tucked means put or placed or pushed, and is a huge fan of the English Premier League. Huge means big or enormous or very great. Fan of the English Premier League. Here fan means a person who admires somebody is called fan, not a device here. Okay, so English Premier League means Premier means most important, League means alliance. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, even though Nick is a disabled person or differently abled person. His parents didn't decide to send him a special school. They decided to send a normal school. A decision he said was very hard for him. So in place of Nick, how do you feel? Whether it was very hard to you or not? Yes, okay children. So everyone feels very hard to join in a normal school with disability, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. Whatever the decision was taken by his parents, it was best decision, means most useful decision for Nick. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked. Why? Because there were no legs and arms to Nick. So that's why Nick's father was so shocked, means surprised, that he left the hospital room to vomit. So generally, how would the people feel when they gave birth to a child? They felt happy instead of feeling happy. So his father left the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother, distraught means worried or upset or distressed mother, couldn't bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. 4 months old means she didn't care for herself to take care of Nick. His disability came without any medical explanation. There is no explanation or described being in the medical explanation. Okay, a rare occurrence means a infrequent. Occurrence means event or incident called phocomelia. There is no explanation in the medical field also. So that is called phocomelia. Nika and his parents spent many years asking why this traumatic would happen to them. Means something that confused the people. That is called trick. Would happen to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, he said. Okay, even though Nick's mother did took very care, he was born without legs and arms. That's why she cursed the God also. It was so hard for them, but right from the start, they did their best to make me independent, even though they helped me to live independent, not to depend on others. My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. So, when did my father start make me to learn swimming? When I was 18 months. Okay. Among you, anyone learned when you 2 years old? Okay, no. Right. I also got really into football and skateboarding. Got into means became interested in something. Okay. So, what did he enter? He interested in football and skateboarding means a short narrow board with small wheels at each end which you stand and ride as a sport. I totally love the English Premier League. So Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant. Okay, programmer means what was Nick's father's profession? He was a computer programmer and an accountant. Programmer means a person whose job is writing programs for a computer, and accountant means a person who maintains accounts is called accountant. And he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6 years old. So what did you do at the 6 years old? You might have gone to school. Okay, but he learned how to type when he was 6 years old. Very impossible thing was done by Nick. His mom. So I myself learned typing when I was in intermediate age. Okay, children. His mom means mother, invented means created a special plastic device that meant he could hold means clasp or clench a pen and pencil. To hold or clench the pen, she invented a special plastic device or tool or equipment or instrument to for useful the Nick. Okay, children. So let us stop here today's reading. So I would like to ask some questions. Whatever you heard, please give your responses. If it is possible, you may give the answer. Otherwise, I may explain. Okay. So you go through the whatever we discussed from imagine having no arms. Okay, children. What do you use to stretch, scratch and wrap? Okay, arms. Whether Nick has legs and arms or not when he was born? No. Is it easy to live without arms and legs? No. How was Nick born? Nick was born with no arms and legs. Does Nick let the details stop him? No, he doesn't let any details. Okay, children. So now I would like to ask some more questions relating to the reading comprehension or reading passage. Why? Because you have to face the such type of questions in your board exam. Okay, children. How old is Nick? So this may be asked as a one or two sentences answer or multiple choice answers. So if he asks like this, how old is Nick? You have to write Nick is 26 years old according to the passage. Okay. So okay children, how old is Nick? Option A 28, option B 27, option 3 26, option D none of the above. So which is the suitable answer? Okay children, so whatever the answer is given by you is correct, 26 years. So which option do you write as an answer in the exam? C option, right? Okay. Name the games which are played by Nick. He played according to the passage some games. Okay. So what does he play? He plays football, golf, swim and surfing, etc. Where has he a small foot? So he confuses, the examiner confuses you. Option A, on his right leg, on his right arm, on his left hip, on his right hip. So which is the suitable answer? On his left hip is the suitable answer. So you have to, already everybody keeps in his mind about the hip, a small foot on his left hip, but where? Left hip. Okay. How does small foot help to Nick? So the small foot helps to Nick to balance and kick the pebbles. How does Nick use his small foot? Okay, he uses his small foot to type and for the writing also. I call it my chicken drumstick. Joke Nick. What does it refer to in this sentence? I refer to Nick Vujicic. And what does it refer to? It refers to small foot. Where was he born? So here you have to keep Melbourne in your mind. So he uses another options. Whatever the option may be given, you have to keep in your mind the right option, and then it is easy to answer the question. Already if you read in your material or study material or from the book the question, in your question the option may be Melbourne, but in the option in your exam the option may be B or C or D. So you have to keep the keyword. So where was he born? Melbourne. So where is it? The Melbourne is in Australia. Where does Nick live? Means at present. At present Nick lives in Los Angeles. So the United States of America. What does the word virgin means? So you have to learn all the meanings. Why? Because he asks the meanings or synonyms or antonyms and verb forms or word forms. So what does the word virgin mean? Bachelor. So here I am giving only example model questions only. Not only he asks the virgin, he may ask whatever the word may be. So that's why you have to learn every word meaning. Who is Steve Appel? Steve Appel is a publicist or Nick's friend. What is Steve Appel? What is Steve Appel? Means we have to give his profession, publicist. What is your father? For example, I would like to ask, what is your father? What do you say? You have to say your father's profession. If your father is a farmer, you have to say my father is a farmer, or my father is a lawyer, or whatever it may be. Okay. Okay. Nick is a dash huge fan of dash league. Okay. English Premier League. What was Nick's father? Again the question, Nick's father. So in place of Nick's father, whatever he asks, this type of questions will be faced. What was Nick's father? Nick's father was a computer programmer and an accountant. The question is in the past tense, so we have to give the answer in the past tense also. If he asks what is Nick's father, we have to write Nick's father is. So here he asked what was Nick's father. Who did invent a special plastic device? Who did invent? So Nick's mother invented a special plastic device. So in which tense this question, did plus V1 is equal to V2. So we have to write the V2 form of the invent. Otherwise you may write the answer in place of who, the word who, you have to write the inventor name, the doer or the subject. So here simply you have to remove the who and write Nick's mother. The remaining is same. So what is the answer? Nick's mother did invent a special plastic device. Always we have to write did plus V1 only. Okay. You never write V2 or other form of the verb after did or does or do. Okay. How could Nick hold a pen and pencil? He could hold a pen and pencil with the help of a special plastic device. Okay. So, and write the antonym of the word small. So, for example, he gives like this. He had a small foot on his left hip. The word small is underlined and he asks to write the antonym of the underlined word. So, which word is underlined? Small. So, what is the antonym of the word small is big. Okay. So, these are the model questions only I deliver to you children. So, you have to read the lesson at home, and if you are unable to understand any parts, you have to trace question mark, and where you understood there trace the underline, where you like most there put a star mark. Okay, and you may clarify your doubts if you get any belonging to this topic. Let us discuss remaining part of this unit in next class. Okay, thank you.